while we're certainly on the way to getting to the point where we have gender equality in sporting clubs, we have a long way to go.
I would hope to see a continued growing presence of females. I'd like to see clubs encouraging females, just like we are at Bay Morris, to participate in the sport no matter what level it is.
Having committee structures that have that gender equity at the top is always a good start. And certainly at my club we have 40% representation of women on our committee.
My tennis club actually just recently have some workshop for all gender equal. That was actually a good start to make people aware of the gender equality.
Having girls there and boys all together is just like the real world and no different between the footy club or at work.
I'm only 24, so gender equality is normal. Like, it's not an abstract thing. I think it's a generational thing that as you'd want it to happen now, you would expect it to, but I think as time goes on, it'll get better and better.